Mia had given everything to their marriage, her love, her trust, the best years of her life. She believed in him. She believed in them. She had built a home with him, created memories in every corner of their life together. And then, one day, she found out. The late nights at work. The sudden distance. The gut feeling she tried to ignore. And then, the truth. He had been unfaithful. And when she confronted him, he only sighed. As if she were a burden. "I don't love you anymore." And just like that, he was gone. But Mia wasn't alone. She had a daughter. The pain wasn't just her own, it was her little girl's too. How do you explain to a child that their father chose to leave? That life will never be the same? The weight of single motherhood. The first few weeks were unbearable. Mia barely ate, barely slept. But she had no choice, she had to keep going. She had to be strong for her daughter, even when she felt like falling apart. She held back tears while making breakfast. She forced a smile while tucking her daughter into bed. But at night, when the house was quiet, she would sit in the darkness, overwhelmed by the weight of it all. The bills. The loneliness. The exhaustion. No one prepares you for the isolation of single motherhood. She watched other families, mothers with their husbands, children with their fathers, and wondered why she wasn't enough to keep her family whole. But here's what Mia didn't realize at first: she was enough. She was a mother. A provider. A protector. And she was still standing. Mia sits down at her kitchen table. She types divorce support group into her laptop. Mia walks into a room filled with others like her. Participants share their stories and advice. She learns that grief is not linear. Some days, she feels strong. Other days, memories pull her under. Mia rediscovers joy in small moments. She enjoys reading without interruption. She chooses movies without compromise. Mia makes her daughter laugh. Her heart still aches, but she feels whole. At first, it was just survival. Getting out of bed. Packing lunchboxes. Holding it together. But then, slowly, she started fighting for more. Let yourself grieve. You don't have to be strong all the time. Cry when you need to. Pain heals when it's acknowledged. Find support. Being a single mother doesn't mean doing it alone. Lean on friends, family, or an online community. Prioritize mental health. Mia started therapy, journaled her emotions, and took deep breaths when anxiety felt heavy. Take care of your body. Your body needs you. Walk, stretch, eat well, and get as much rest as you can. Be present for your child, but also for yourself. Realize you are enough, showing up every day is what matters. Let go of the guilt. Accept that closure comes from within, not from others. Reimagine your future. The blank page of the future is freedom. You can create a life on your own terms. The strength to move forward. One night, as Mia tucked her daughter into bed, her little girl said, "Mommy, I love you so much." Mia knew, this was worth fighting for. She was building something new, a life where she loved herself. You are enough. His choices do not define you. The love you gave was real, even if it wasn't cherished. One day, the weight on your chest will ease, and you'll realize this pain did not break you, it rebuilt you. Healing after betrayal isn't easy. It's painful. It's messy, but it's also an opportunity, an invitation to become the woman you were always meant to be. To every single mother out there, raising a child while holding yourself together, know this: you are strong. You are capable. And you are not alone. If this video resonated with you, share your thoughts in the comments. Let's create a space where healing is possible. Because this isn't the end of your story. This is the beginning. And if you're ready to take the next step in your journey, hit that subscribe button.